Welcome you all to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can easily make beautiful color adjustments to an image with just a few clicks, as we see in picture. A red-yellow affected photo has a beautiful color tone. Those who have not installed this software yet, for them, the download link of the software is given in the description box. So begin, we will open this photo. As this picture is very dark, and the saturation is very high, first, we will take this clear tool once. Click then well merge it. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. Removing the shadows once more, then you can see that the saturation has decreased a lot. Now we will click once on the auto adjustment tool, and to fine-tune, adjust the opacity of the layer. I will merge again and increase the natural tone of the image a little. To maintain the HDR look of the image, Quick HDR is a one-click tool. To enhance the color vibration, I will click once on the color restore button. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. So friends, you can check out some more video tutorials on photo adjustment on our channel. The link is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a like if you find it useful. Thank you all.